will you be my Valentine?
How old are you?
I'm 35.
I'm sorry. You're expired. I need standards, not charity cases.
Oh my God!
Listen, everyone, I'm the doctor here.
You're a bird.
I have a degree. I studied at Harvard. You studied at Hard Luck University.
Doctor, I can't breathe.
That's your problem. Bring in the next patient.
Get away from him! Don't! Oh my God, don't
Okay. Look it up. Mama.
Baba,
Mama.
baba.
Papá.
Gente, tá cara a cara com o rei da selva. Valente, hein? Eita!
Meu Deus.